Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hawaiian macaroni salad using an easy method. This classic side dish is a staple at any luau or barbecue, known for its creamy texture and slightly sweet, tangy flavor. We will cover gathering your simple ingredients, cooking the macaroni perfectly, and then mixing up that signature rich dressing. Get ready to create a delicious, crowd-pleasing salad in just a few straightforward steps. First, let's get our macaroni ready. You'll want to cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly tender, but not mushy. After draining, it's crucial to rinse it well with cold water. This stops the cooking and prevents stickiness. While that cools, prepare your vegetables. Grate about 1 cup of carrots and finely dice 1/4 cup of yellow onion to add a nice crunch and subtle bite to our salad. Now for the heart of our Hawaiian macaroni salad, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of whole milk until smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar for that perfect balance of tang and sweetness. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled macaroni, the grated carrots, diced onion, and that delicious creamy dressing. Mix everything thoroughly until every piece of macaroni and vegetable is beautifully coated. This step is key for even flavor distribution. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.